I wonder what's in this cash register. Wow. This cash register is filled with coins and dollar bills. I'm going to steal it all. All right. Now to get the hell out of the Home Depot before I get caught.
All right. Let's see how much money I have in the cash register. What the? There was supposed to be cash in the cash register, and now they're gone. Well, at least the Home Depot has security cameras, so I will use them to find out why the cash has disappeared from the cash register.
I'm going to steal it all. All right. Now to get the hell out of the Home Depot before I get caught.
Aha. It's just as I feared. Dexter stolen the cash from the cash register. Well, let's see how he likes it when I call his parents about this.
So Dexter stole cash from the cash register at the Home Depot. Oh my God. Thanks for telling us. We're going to make sure he learns his lesson. Goodbye. Dexter, Randy Marsh has just telephoned. He told us that you stole cash from the cash register at the Home Depot. Is this true?
Yes.
Dexter, how dare you steal cash from the cash register at the Home Depot? You know that you are not allowed to do that at all.
Your father is right, Dexter. You know that stealing cash in the cash register at the Home Depot is a serious crime. That's it. You're grounded for 85 months. Go to your room right now.